Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I want to talk about the main reasons why I chose Exitus Elite as my primary business from now and well into the future. Well, one of the reasons is for the very fact that it's been running for 8 years. It's been running for 8 years nonstop. It has a great owner in Paul Stevenson, who cares about the business, who cares about us affiliates, and it's just an all-around good business that provides value. All our products are educational products that will help you learn how to market this business or any other business that you decide to do in the future. And also, I wanted a place where I could feel safe bringing people in, because there have been some opportunities in the past where these opportunities ended up failing and people got hurt, and I just didn't want something like that to happen again. So I wanted, and I also wanted a opportunity where I didn't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to start making really good income, because in Exitus Elite, we can make up to $2,000 instant commissions. So that's pretty impressive. And there are instant commissions too. So those are the reasons why I chose Exitus Elite. So if you are looking to come into Exitus Elite, you can give me a call. I do have all my contact information in the description below. I also tell people when they do join for Exitus Elite, it's a 3-step process. You pay the admin fee, and then you pay for the product itself by paying your sponsor. And then you just confirm your payment. So I know, so I can check it out myself, and then I can activate your account. So, and also one thing I forgot to mention in my recent video is make sure you agree to all the terms of service. Otherwise, you can't sign up as well. But yeah, so that's Exitus Elite. That's why I joined it. And that's why I'm going to be pushing it even more now than I have before, because right now, from August to the end of the year is one of the best times for affiliate marketing. People are going to, as the weeks go by in August, people are going to stop going on vacations and stuff, and kids will be back in school, so there'll be more people looking at possibilities. So in affiliate marketing, that's some of the best times to really start promoting your business. So anyways, that's all I'm going to say in this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button. Also, comment below if you have any questions for me, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I upload new content. And that's all I'm going to say. Bye.